A very warm good evening to all the NEET UG, NEET PG aspirants. As you can see it on your screen, today's topic is navigating the NRI category change for NEET PG and NEET UG 2025 and understanding the eligibility documents at the process. And this is mainly about changing your category from Indian to NRI uh, under MCC counseling. So let's begin with the video. Now, first of all, let's understand what is NRI quota. NRI quota is a quota where the allocation of the seats is specifically reserved for NRIs or NRI sponsored candidates in undergraduate and postgraduate medical seats. And what is the eligibility? You can see it on your screen that candidate should hold an NRI status or NRI sponsorship from first degree blood relative. We'll come on to that also, who can sponsor the Indian candidate. Now, what is the significance of this quota? That every private medical college, every deemed university has 15% of NRI quota, as well as there are few government colleges which have NRI quota for NEET UG. Okay, typically the fee structure is higher. Okay, but some of the private medical colleges or the deemed universities may offer you some discount under NRI quota fees. Now, what is the most important point for the conversion? That is, once candidate is converted from Indian to NRI, they cannot avail benefits of category. Okay, that is SC, OBC, because they are already being sponsored, or they cannot even avail the benefit of quotas. That is, if somebody belongs to a minority quota, there's like Muslim, Jain, Christian, they cannot avail this. Okay, once you're participating as an NRI, okay, you have to uh, make sure that no quota benefits or no category benefits will be valid. Okay, and this is not for that particular round, but this is for subsequent rounds also. Okay, so let's move ahead. Now, who can sponsor an Indian candidate for NRI quota? Okay, as per Honorable Supreme Court writ petition 689 by 217, the case between deemed universities in Karnataka versus the Union of India, that is Government of India. Eligible sponsors, that is first degree blood relatives, can be candidate's father or mother, candidate's real brother or sister, that is sibling, paternal grandfather, paternal grandmother, maternal grandfather, maternal grandmother of the candidate, paternal uncle, maternal uncle or aunt, okay, or son or daughters of paternal uncle or paternal aunt. To give you a perfect idea of this, yes. This will clearly show you who can sponsor. You can see it on your screen like candidates, mother, father. You can see maternal aunt, maternal uncle, paternal aunt, paternal uncle, and their kids can sponsor. And this goes without saying the grandfather, it may be maternal or paternal, grandmother, it may be maternal or paternal. Candidates who are looking to change their category from Indian to NRI should take a screenshot of this. Okay. So this will help you understand who can sponsor the candidate. Now, moving ahead, what are the key documents which are required for this? Okay. Now, from the sponsor side, you will be requiring the proof of NRI status. Okay. And if the sponsor is an OCI, okay, you need to have OCI card with the passport. Okay. And if the sponsor is an NRI, you need to have a NRI certificate or embassy certificate, as you can see over here. Now, we will be also requiring SWOT certificate and sponsorship certificate from the sponsor. Okay. If any candidates requires any guidance on the documents, how they are to be prepared, what should be the format, what should be the content of the document, you can definitely give us a call. Now, moving ahead, key documents required from the candidate. Okay. Now, the candidate will need to sign the MCC annexure. He has to prepare the family chart, that is the family tree on respective uh, state stamp paper. Okay. And that should be moreover, more times the MCC counseling might ask for tehsil uh, attested document. Okay, tehsil stamped document. Okay, of this relationship tree. Okay, and then the NEET UG PG card and the general affidavit of family tree. Okay, so this is what you'll be required from the candidate. You can see from the sponsor side, you need the embassy certificate or the OCI card if the candidate sponsor is an OCI, and embassy certificate for the proof that he's residing and he's an NRI, as well as you can we will be requiring affidavit of the sponsorship as well as affidavit of the ward certificate. Okay, and from your side again I repeat, need UGPG admit card, family tree affidavit, MCC annexures, and general affidavit on 100 rupees stamp. Now, how to apply for NRI category conversion in MCC counseling? First of all, you need to be quite aware that you are in continuously touch with MCC website, because this is very crucial. Okay, MCC releases specific notice for NRI conversion for each counseling round. Okay, that is first round, second round, and mop up round. Okay, there is no category conversion for stay round, special stay round. Okay, there's no nothing allowed, because in third round, once the NRI candidates are over, once the NRI list of candidates have been allotted, the remaining vacant NRI seats are converted to general seats in the third round of counseling itself by the software. Okay, so make sure if you want to change your category, you can change it in round 1, round 2, or round 3 of the counseling MCC. Now, there is a specific application window. MCC opens a very limited time window. Okay, so kindly make sure you are continuously in touch with MCC website. Okay, so you can always see that uh, you need to submit an email. Okay, candidate must send all the relevant documents via email to designated MCC email ID. Okay, now here we have shown an example what email ID can it be. Okay, and you have to send it in stipulated time. Okay, and in a single mail, in a single PDF. Okay, lot of candidates do this mistake that they send the documents but they do not make it in single PDF. Kindly also make sure that the order is also correct, which is given in MCC annexure. If anybody requires any help, like how to make a PDF of the documents, what should be the order, or what should be the format, or what should be the content in the email, you can always give us a call. Okay. Now, it is clearly specified that if you have already done the conversion, suppose you have done it in round 1 and again there is a notification for round 2, you need to apply again. Once your category is converted at the start of round 1, you will be considered NRI for all the subsequent round. Now, if allotted a seat under NRI quota, okay, the fee payment should come from the sponsor's bank account. A lot of colleges will demand this, but lot of colleges also accept dollar payment from another bank account, or even for the sake of Indian rupees. It depends on college to college. Okay, so key points to remember to avoid the pitfalls: timelines are very critical. Make sure that you you email the documents in a single PDF within a stipulated time given by MCC. Okay, make sure the all documents are genuine, duly attested, and notarized. Okay, MCC verifies embassy certificates. Any fake documents will lead to cancellation of provisional allotment and potential legal action will be taken. Relationship with the sponsor must be strictly adhered to Supreme Court guidelines, as I showed you previously. What who can sponsor the candidates? Kindly read the notices very carefully. It is very important that once you change your category, that you won't be eligible for availing quotas, that is minority quota, like Christian minority, Muslim minority, Jain minority, or even for the sake of your category SC, ST, OBC. But you can fill a Indian seat also if you are an NRI sponsored candidate. It is not that you won't be able to fill NRI choices, your Indian choices. You can fill it with NRI. Okay. Always refer to the official MCC website for the latest update and specific formats and official email IDs. So I hope this videos was very useful to you, candidates who are looking to change their category from Indian to NRI. If you have liked this video, kindly subscribe for our channel. You can also visit our website neetadmission.in. And if anybody requires any guidance related to NRI quota admissions in India, you can always get in touch with us on the number mentioned in the video. Thank you for your kind attention and watching the video till the end. God bless you all. Thank you.